Social media ban and Gen Z hit the streets. But if you think this protest is just about Instagram being banned, watch till the end. Our parents and grandparents still trust only TV news. Doesn't matter if it's true or fake, they believe it. But the reality, this protest is way bigger than just a ban.
And they want to control us just like a dictator.
Quick reminder, Gen Z are those between 1997 and 2012. Usually society labels them lazy, spoiled, lost in their own world. But in Nepal, they are proving everyone wrong. Nepal is one of the poorest countries in South Asia, flexing luxury lives abroad on taxpayers' money. That was tipping the point. Instead of staying quiet, they got creative. Memes, AI edits, reels, and exposing the truth. And suddenly everyone realized it's not about social media, it's about corruption. Think about it. Ban WhatsApp, you cut off families. Ban Insta, you kill voices. And then news channels twisted the story. Gen Z only cares about K-pop, anime, Insta. But the truth, peaceful students with placards were shot at with real bullets. And just when people thought PM KP Sharma Oli's resignation would fix everything, chaos exploded. In the middle of Gen Z protests, shadows with guns entered the crowd. Hospitals burned, schools turned to ash. Even protesters were killed. Then came August 20, 2025. Maoist leader Prachanda secretly met jailed politician Ravi Lamichhane. Days later, 3 jailbreaks shook Nepal. Over 1,500 prisoners escaped, including Ravi himself. Now these men roam the streets with weapons, turning protest into bloodshed. The army had to take control. They told the people, choose a representative who can speak for you. And from the darkness, a new name rose, Balen Shah. Only 35, independent, loved for his honesty. But can pure honesty stop this anarchy? And just when Nepal looked at Balen for hope, a forgotten player returned, King Gyanendra. Yes, the same king who dreams of making Nepal a Hindu kingdom again. Now the country is divided. Some shout Ravi Lamichhane should be PM. Others say Balen is the real hope. And in the shadows, King Gyanendra is smiling. So the big question is, Nepal's future will be in whose hand?
And they want to control us.
Gen Z's fight for justice, Balen Shah's honesty, or King Gyanedra's old throne. This is not just a protest. This Nepal's fight for its soul. And Gen Z is in the middle of history.